Taking good care of skin is very important because skin is the largest organ of our body, and skin on the face need more tender and loving care because it is regularly exposed to sunlight, pollution, dust and sweat, which may definitely damage it, so it need to be protected to retain its health and glow. In today's video, I will show you a very effective mask जो आप आसानी से घर पे बना सकते हो और ये इंस्टेंटली आपके फेस पे एक नेचुरल ग्लो लेके आता है. ट्रस्ट मी, अगर आप इस मास्क को हफ्ते में 2 बार भी यूज़ कर लेते हो तो इसका रिज़ल्ट बहुत ही बढ़िया है. और आप इसे जब यूज़ करोगे ना तो आप सच में इसका 1 मंथ बाद आप रिज़ल्ट देखना, आप पार्लर जाना भूल जाओगे. अगर आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते हैं तो प्लीज़ पहले ये बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करके मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, जिससे आप मेरे कोई भी न्यू वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन को मिस नहीं करोगे. सिर्फ 5 इंग्रेडिएंट्स यूज़ करके ये मास्क बनाऊंगी जो ईजिली सबके घर में अवेलेबल तो होता ही है. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट ऑल वी नीड.
Rose water contains antioxidant properties which help to fight free radicals and reduces the signs of aging. Kesar helps to fight acne, pigmentation and treats dark spots. It also rich in antioxidant that help to enhance skin tone. We are going to mix few threads of kesar in this rose water and keep it for 10 minutes. Honey deeply moisturizes and hydrates the skin. Aloe vera is a medicinal plant traditionally used to improve skin integrity. Milk is rich in lactic acid. Vitamin A in raw milk has skin healing properties and is one of the best skin moisturizer and cleanser. Now we are going to mix all these ingredients together and make a smooth paste. Apply this paste on your face and neck with an applicator. मैं इसे अपने आईज के ऊपर भी लगा ले रही हूँ because it contains all the very natural and very healing properties. But if you have very sensitive eyes, then you can avoid it. Keep this for 20 to 30 minutes and जब ये पूरी तरह से dry हो जाए, then we are going to wash it with plain water. This results in plumper, softer skin with a natural radiant glow.
By preparing this mask at home, you can proactively take care of your skin. Along with this, you must also remember to take a balanced diet, drink plenty of water and exercise regularly. More importantly, having a positive attitude and goodwill towards all make you glow in and out. Thank you for watching this video. See you all in my next video. Till then, live happily and stay beautiful. Bye-bye.